Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn very interesting story, Nasruddin's Aim. This story we have taken from English Marigold book of CBSE class 4th. So let's start Nasruddin's Aim from unit 3rd. We will read and enjoy the story. Nasruddin's Aim. One day Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. He began to boast, "No one can match my skill in archery. I string the bow, take an aim and shoot an arrow." See students, in this story there is one Nasruddin named character, and one day Nasruddin was talking with his friends that no one can match my skill in archery. He thought, no one as good as myself in archery. Whoosh! The arrow is sure to hit bang on the target. Hearing this, one of his friends immediately brought a bow and some arrows. See students, Nasruddin was praising to his archery skill. He was saying, "I string the bow and take the aim and shoot the target, and it is sure to hit the target." By hearing this, one of his friends immediately brought a bow and some arrows. Giving them to Nasruddin, he said, "Here Nasruddin, take this bow and arrows." Then pointing towards a target, he said, "Aim at that target and shoot an arrow." See students, Nasruddin's friend brought some bows and arrows and giving them to the Nasruddin, and that friend said to Nasruddin, "Take this bow and arrows and aim at that target and shoot an arrow." Now we will see next paragraph of the lesson. Nasruddin held the bow in his hands, strung it, aimed at the target and shot an arrow. Whew! The arrow didn't hit the target. Instead it fell down somewhere in the middle. See students, here Nasruddin held the bow at the target showing by his friends and shot an arrow, but the arrow didn't hit the target and fell down somewhere in the middle. Ha ha ha! His friends started laughing. They said, "Hey Nasruddin, is this your best aim?" See students, here Nasruddin failed to hit the target and his friends started laughing, and they said, "Is this your best aim?" "Oh no, not at all," said Nasruddin, defending himself. "This wasn't my aim, it was Azad's aim. I just show you how the Azad shoots an arrow." See students, here Nasruddin was defending himself by saying, "It was not my aim, it was Azad's aim. I was showing you how Azad shoots an arrow." Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. Once again, he strung the bow, aimed at the target and shot the arrow. This time the arrow fell a little further than where it had fallen before. See students, here Nasruddin once again strung the bow and aimed at the target and shot the arrow. This time the arrow fell a little further than where it had fallen first time. It means this time also he has not hit the target. But it certainly didn't hit the target. They asked Nasruddin, "And this must be how you shoot an arrow?" "Of course not," argued Nasruddin. "Even this aim was not mine. It was the chief guard's aim." See students, this second time also Nasruddin not hit the target, and when his friends asked how you shoot an arrow, that time he said, "Even this aim was not mine. It was the chief guard's aim," and by saying this he defending himself. Now somebody remarked, "Well, now who's next on the list?" Hearing this, all the friends burst out laughing. Nasruddin didn't say a word. He quietly picked up one more arrow. Students, here now Nasruddin's friends asking Nasruddin, "Who's next on the list? Whose name you are going to take if you are unable to hit the target?" And all the friends burst out laughing. But Nasruddin didn't say a word because already 2 times he has failed to hit the target. Now we will see remaining part of the story. And this time Nasruddin was really lucky. The arrow hit bang on the target. Everybody started at Nasruddin, their mouths agape in amazement. Before anyone could say anything, Nasruddin said triumphantly, "Did you see that? It was my aim." See students, this time Nasruddin was really lucky because this time arrow hit the target. And before anyone could say anything, Nasruddin said, "Did you see that? It was my aim." See students, this time Nasruddin was successful to hit the target. So he has taken his own name. If he could unsuccessful to hit the target, then he will take another friend's name. See students, from this story we have learned that not to be overconfident, and if we are successful in any work we should praise to ourselves, and if we are unsuccessful to do any work we should blame to oneself only, not to others. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel to get more videos on NCERT classes.